Wow. He did come out of nowhere.
Out of here. He just started making noise.
Why he sound like that? He piercing. He almost pierced. You hear this? He roaring. Wow. Where did he could possibly have gone? You can't see nothing. Yeah, and it's connecting to that cloud. Oh, look, over here. Ooh. And that invisible line is getting further over past that cloud. I know, I feel like my skin finna fall off out here. I ain't never felt it like this. We finna get super, super. Bill Gates flies. I know, I want to see the spike ball again. Whoa, what is he doing? He just went in the cloud. And he playing really hard right now. Do you see it? Yeah, these clouds is not even. Look, that black thing.
Ew.
That's a dragonfly.
Coming back around.
Oh, it's two of them. It's a baby one.
Look at him now.
What?
You don't see him? Watch, look. Wait till the cloud opening. You see the cloud? Oh, the cloud's moving up. You're going to see him on the other side of this cloud. Watch. You're going to see him on the other side of this cloud. Yep, you're going to see him. Coming through the cloud. He's going to be over here. The cloud's going the same way he's going.
I know.
It's getting dark over there. Look, see him? No trail.
Oh, I see him.
Where'd the trail go?
Whoa.
Where are you going, bro? There's so many clouds, bro.
Right, bro? Where is the bro going?
I mean, all these pilots are fucking drunk.
Whoa. Where could he have gone?